Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect Google Apps Script to MySQL database securely. No password exposed, no hacks, just clean and safe code. Let's dive in. Why security matters here? When working with database, the biggest mistake beginners make is hard coding credentials directly in their script. This is risky because anyone with access to your script can see your database password. Instead, we will use Google Script properties to keep credentials safe. Okay, setting up script properties. Here first, open your app script project. Okay, let me open app script project. Just click here. Then first of all, open Google Drive here. Then open the Google Drive here. Then click on here plus sign or new. Then here click on more. Now click on Google Apps Script here. Okay, create script. Okay, just delete the default function here. Then look here. Here there is function set database credentials property service dot get script properties dot set properties. Then database user here. Okay, let me copy the code, all of the code here. Then paste here. It is all about the coding here. Function set database credentials. Then properties property service dot get string properties dot set properties. Then under here database URL equals JDBC MySQL JDBC colon MySQL colon // host 3306 and database here. And now dp user password. So how to get database host user and password? To get that, just click plus sign here and type clevercloud.com. Okay, now click on login here. Then click on here me. Now click on here. Okay. Then click on information. Then drag a little bit here. Look here, there is database, MySQL database, host, password, and user. So let me copy this one. Then host, here user, and the last one is password. Okay, now click on save here. Okay, just click on run. Review permission here. Now click on your email. Click on advanced. and save. Okay, now click on continue. Authorized successful. Look. Okay, that's good. Now click here, change to test database connection here. Now click on run. Fantastic, connected. So this function returns a secure connection without exposing your credentials anywhere in your main code. And there you go. You can securely fetch data from your MySQL database without either exposing your credentials in your code. Here, quick tips for maximum security. Never hard-code password in your script. Use script properties or an encrypted secure manager. Always close connection after queries. Limit database users permission to only when your app needs. That is it. You now know how to connect Google Apps Script to MySQL securely. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. See you in the next video.